Hello everyone, welcome back to Children's Art Museum of India. Today we are again learning a new topic under Saura tribe artwork. We are learning how to draw different kinds of birds today. We will be learning peahen, peacock, cock and sparrows. As you can see, we just need a white sheet and a black pen. You can use colors if you wish to, but for now we are just using a black pen. Common birds like peahen, peacocks and sparrows were drawn by the Saura community. They showed sparrows most of the times in flight mode, sitting on adobe huts, storages, trees and shelters. Peahens on the other hand were shown in peaking position in front of the huts. Peacocks were shown on trees, shelters, adobe huts and other spaces in seating positions. Cranes were shown in water. These are the birds in Saura community artwork. Draw your birds with your own style and submit it to the Children's Art Museum of India. Let us know in the comment section what do you think of this artwork. Thank you so much for watching.